Alright, y'all, it's Saturday, June 15th, I think. Anyway, we're about to have a beach day. We're going to the beach. We stopped at Walmart real quick to get a tent. Daddy ran inside. I'm in the car with the kids, trying to keep everybody cool in the air. So yeah, we're just gonna bring y'all with, so y'all can see what we do today at the beach. Right? Right, Shy? Look. Get the camera. Look. 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 Say hey. Yeah, we made it to the beach, as y'all can tell. It's hot as hell. It's like 96 degrees. It's hot as hell. I had to take a break. It's a lot of people out here too. We are at Alzapalms. I prefer Alzapalms over Folly. But we here, y'all. Hey, baby daddy.
Good.
Hot. Yeah. You said it's what?
Lunch.
Yeah, I know. Y'all can take a picture for me? Doing sunbathing. You want a bear shot? Huh? You want a bear shot? Shy. You gonna let her ride bury you?
Yeah.
Who's gonna get buried first?
Stop, not me.
What are you doing?
Sense.
Stop eating sand.
I want to.
Nasty. Got it in his eye. Good shot. They don't even see you.
In the water.
Say it, tell him I done sent them out there. That's sticky. We got pizza from. Huh? I'm just surprised she ain't eating the sand.
Eat the sand, but don't want to touch the water.
No, I said she won't eat the sand. She was eating like sticks and shells. Not the water. I told you. Alright, y'all, we just left the beach. We headed back home. That's like Ashley. We headed back home. We stopped to get some crab legs. I was gonna make a ramen, but I'm tired. It's already 7 o'clock, so we're just gonna stop and get some crab legs. We'll probably get it to go. Adrian just went inside. The kids in the back sleeping. I don't know if y'all can see Shy. But yeah, y'all, we just tired and we hungry, so instead of cooking, we just about to get something to eat. So I'll pull y'all back up probably when we get back to the house.